Hey guys, I'm so excited. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and make up these oven roasted vegetables. They are delicious, flavorful, and they are going to satisfy your gut microbiome and they are going to lead you on your weight loss journey. Look how beautiful those are. Follow along step by step with me. Start making these up. I do it on Sunday nights. I have 5 days worth of vegetables to add into my meal prep, and I am going to continue on my weight loss journey without having to overcomplicate it. That's what it's all about here at Healthy Days. We are not going to overcomplicate weight loss. We are just very intentional about the ingredients we put into our bodies. So here we go. Follow along step by step and start making these up with me every week. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I just wanted to show you what your table should look like, what you need to go to the store and grab if you want your vegetables to turn out exactly how mine did. I just like to start out with the mini portobello mushroom, sweet potato, red onion, broccoli, and the tricolored bell peppers. Now, if there's other vegetables that you enjoy better, go ahead and get those. This is what I have found is high in fiber, so satisfying, cuts through that inflammation, reduces the bloat feeling. So again, this is going to get me 5 days worth of meal prepped meals. Set it and forget it. You don't have to worry about what you're going to make. You don't have to worry about what you're putting into your body, but you are being very intentional. I'll make this up Sunday nights and I will eat on it all throughout the week. So once you get all your vegetables gathered, let's get started. So you can see here, the second step is just to start dicing up all your vegetables and putting them in a large mixing bowl. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our olive oil and our seasonings, and we are going to be set. And we're gonna go ahead and add in a quarter cup to a half a cup of the extra virgin olive oil. We're just gonna go ahead and drizzle that right over the vegetables. That gives them a nice coating. It's going to give such a great base for that seasoning mix to grab onto, and it really bakes all the flavor right into the vegetables. So go ahead and add in your quarter cup up to a half a cup of the extra virgin olive oil and go ahead and mix that in. Now we're at the point where we're adding the 2 to 4 tablespoons of the gut health weight loss spice jar mix. Like I said, check out that video if you want to know how to make it up completely. Again, if you just have favorite seasonings that you enjoy to use, just be sure that you're getting in the ground turmeric, ground ginger. I love adding the garlic powder because it's so much flavor. If you add in the paprika and the black pepper, that really activates the turmeric. So just go ahead and start adding in your seasonings. And we're going to go ahead and get that mixed up. Go ahead and just get that transferred over to your baking pan. Look at that. We're going to pop that into the oven, and we are going to bake those for about 35 minutes, 40 minutes, depending upon how well done you like them. And then we will check back on them, get them meal prepped up, and it doesn't get easier than this. All right, so you can see we have those placed into the oven. We're gonna go ahead and let those cook for 35 to 40 minutes at 425. So when you're starting to do all your chopping of the vegetables, go ahead and preheat your oven to 425, and we're gonna check back on these in about 35, 40 minutes. All right, guys, so it's been about 40 minutes, and look at these. They are absolutely beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and get them meal prepped up. This is what we're gonna eat on, paired with our high protein for the next 5 days, and we're just going to not overcomplicate weight loss. We're going to be intentional, and we are going to reach our weight loss goals together. Let's go ahead and get these meal prepped up. So here you can see we have it all meal prepped out, and we have that other side of the container. I'm going to put chickpeas in there. I'm going to put salmon. I'm going to put lean chicken breast. I'm going to put tuna, cottage cheese, black beans, and look at that. We have 6 meals all prepped out. Put the lids on, throw it in your fridge, set it and forget it, and you are all meal prepped out for the week. Like I said, I do this on Sunday nights when I am really wanting to go at that inflammation that's been built up inside of my body. We have to get disciplined. We have to be intentional about the foods that we're putting into our body, and this is such a great, easy meal prep oven roasted vegetables to make up. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out all my weight loss videos. I have weight loss smoothies, salads, and tons of tips that are going to get you the results you're looking for. I'll see you next time.